This journey begins at a modern poultry farm, where thousands of chickens are raised in climate-controlled facilities. After poultry is processed for food, feathers are separated as a valuable industrial byproduct. The feathers are collected separately for recycling instead of being discarded. Industrial washing removes dirt, dust, and remaining organic material. High-pressure steam sterilizes the feathers before further processing. The feathers undergo controlled hydrolysis, breaking down the tough keratin structure into usable protein.
The keratin protein is purified to remove unwanted materials. The purified keratin is regenerated into soft textile fibers. Keratin fibers are blended with other textile fibers to improve strength, flexibility, and durability.
The blended fibers are aligned into uniform sheets. The aligned fibers are spun into durable yarn.
The yarn is knitted into premium sweater fabric.
The knitted fabric receives long-lasting colors using industrial dyeing systems. The fabric is finished for softness, dimensional stability, and durability.
Computer-controlled cutting machines prepare every sweater component. The garment pieces are stitched together to create premium sweaters. Each sweater undergoes careful quality inspection before packaging. By combining recycled feather keratin with conventional textile fibers, manufacturers can create innovative fabrics for premium apparel.